Hi, I'm Asif Farouk of Finextra and we're here at the Swift Business Forum in London, and I'm speaking to Isabelle Olivier of Swift about some recent research released on T2S readiness. Isabelle, there's plenty of research available now on T2S. What's different about this one and what have you found out?
Well, I think stepping back, looking at the industry adoption or preparation level of T2S is the right thing to do now. I think we have reached another important milestone in the T2S preparation. We're thinking about testing and so on. So I think it was the right moment to really have an external consultant visiting the main players in the industry and coming with a neutral view on where we stand and what's next.
So what was the strategy behind doing another round of research and what's different?
Well, I think that this research is different in terms, it goes really into the detail. Major interviews have been conducted, important interviews have been conducted with the top 25 major players in the securities industry in the Eurozone. And I think that what comes out of the report is really interesting. It really comes from the ground, it's the voice of the industry.
Okay, now what are the main findings of the report?
Well, I think the report really illustrates that the level of preparation or the thinking process of the industry has improved compared to 1 year ago. The players that are mostly impacted by T2S, the CSD, the ICSD and the regional custodians have a clear action plan and really know where they want to go. They're working on the details, but they have an action plan. If you look at the CSD or ICSD, they will be of course directly connected to T2S, and they are now building their asset servicing or reinforcing their asset servicing services offer to their customer, or reinforcing their collateral management services as well. So for their important milestone. Regarding the regional custodians there as well, they have decided to be directly connected to T2S, and they are also themselves looking at rationalizing a bit their settlement engines that today dialogue with the different countries in the Eurozone. They are building new offers, asset servicing only, account operator model, or sponsored access. And finally, they are looking into new markets or extending their offers. Regarding the global custodians active in both sell and buy side, I think that these guys at JP Morgan or the BNY Mellon have also a clear action plan. They have decided to go with the DCP or in some cases BNY to create a CSD, and they are also themselves building or consolidating their collateral management services. The other smaller local custodians or the other global custodians, but the broker-dealers as well, are more in a wait and act mode. They have decided not to go for a big bank. Most of them have decided not to go direct, but to wait until they see what offers the agents or CSD will be proposing before deciding what to do. And there I think that will be the next step, having these offers formulated to the market. That's, I would say, a bit the outcome of this report.
And you talk about global custodians in a wait and act mode. Why do you think they are in that position and what can be done about it?
Well, I think, again, they are waiting for their providers to come with very clear information on what they will offer, at what price, and how they will be able to transform that into opportunities. But I think that at this stage, it's the right moment for every player to at least act, well, actually for the big guys, the one having that action plan, to basically go through it, and for the others as well to deeply understand the impact of T2S and of these major projects on their operations. And I think, again, understanding the impact and starting testing will probably be the key functionality, the key actions for these two types of entities. And I'm happy to say that Swift has been supporting and is supporting all these players, most of these players, in their testing activities, but also in their impact analysis or business case analysis. And we are looking forward to pursue on that.